Hi everyone, I will give a short introduction about this multimeter. Uh, it's sanwa CD800A digital multimeter. It was made by Sanwa Electric Company Limited, Tokyo, Japan. And you can see there are two probes, one red one and one black one. This is the positive probe and this is the negative probe. From this probe we measure all the currents and voltages from this leads, or otherwise we call it probes. Okay, I will give a short description about the specs of this multimeter. We can measure AC voltage, DC voltage, ohms, other resistors, and hertz, and the milliamperes. There are above the specs, we can measure DC and AC voltages up to 600 volts, and in resistors we can measure up to 40 mega ohms, and capacitors we can measure up to 100 microfarad, and in hertz portion we can measure 5 hertz to maximum 100 kilohertz, and milliampere we can measure up to maximum 400 milliamperes in DC voltage. AC and DC also both voltages, and this is working from 1.5 voltage double A size, pentode size, 2 batteries. Okay, let's go to the you can see there are 5 positions in this multimeter. There's a off position to power the multimeter off, and if we continue in this one of this position, the multimeter will auto power of the multimeter to save the battery powers to battery power. And I will give a short introduction about each of these positions. And there are, you can see there are 5 buttons in the top of the corner. There's a select button, range, relative, and hold, and hertz. About this position, off position to keep the battery save, multimeter off. And if we put this into voltage position, you can measure there are DC voltage symbol. We can measure DC voltage and AC voltage. To select the AC, to measure the AC voltage, we have to select the from this position select button. By pressing the select button, it will be changed to AC voltage. In next position, we can measure ohms scale. There are auto position. If we want to change the position to kilo ohms scale, we have to press the range button. You can see there are 2 ohms mark and kilo ohms, and we pressing the button there. By pressing the range button again, it came to mega ohms, and by select button you can go to diode scale, and pressing again go to buzzer scale. You can check the if the buzzer is working properly. You can touch the both of the probes by together. You can see the buzzer is working properly, and by pressing the select button again, going to the capacitor scale, you can measure the capacitors by putting the select button, pressing the select button to capacitor scale. I will go to the next position. In this position we can measure hertz, AC hertz. You can measure AC cycle. In AC voltage there are 50 to 60 hertz. We can measure the hertz in the AC voltage by pressing to this portion. And okay, let's go to we will go to next position. I will put into this position. We can measure milliamperes, maximum up to 400 milliamperes in both AC and DC both voltages. AC and DC both voltages, maximum 400 milliamperes. In this video I have brought I have give a short introduction about this sanwa digital multimeter. I will see you in the in next step. I will show how to measure AC all the voltages and the functions of this multimeter from using resistors, capacitors and AC and DC voltages. Till then I will come with a new video very soon. Till then, have a good day everyone.